In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Binance and its Launchpool feature effectively. Understanding how to use Binance can be incredibly beneficial for anyone looking to engage in cryptocurrency trading or investment. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access the Binance homepage. Binance is one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges and provides a comprehensive platform for buyers, sellers, and traders. This website serves as the starting point for all your activities. Make sure you're on Binance's official site to ensure the security of your information and funds. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to locate the More option. Hover over the More button, which you'll typically find towards the top of the Binance homepage. This button hosts a drop-down menu containing an array of services provided by Binance, including some of their more advanced and specialized offerings. Now, from this drop-down menu, you need to click on Launchpool. The Launchpool option is crucial for anyone looking to stake their crypto holdings or explore new farming projects. It's a great way to earn rewards through staking, which is essentially a process where crypto coins are used to support the operations of a blockchain network. Upon clicking on Launchpool, you'll be taken to a new screen where you should look for the View More link. Clicking View More allows you to see a comprehensive list of available staking or farming projects. Here, Binance users can explore different opportunities to participate in and potentially earn rewards based on the cryptocurrencies they choose to stake or farm. After reviewing the project options, you will want to click on Launchpool again to narrow down your preferences, and then this can sometimes be repeated as you navigate through the platform. The system may require some further interaction with the Launchpool option to confirm your selections while giving you the chance to reevaluate your choices. The key to successfully using Binance Launchpool is understanding your investment strategy and selecting projects that align with your goals. These features are designed to enhance user participation by providing opportunities to earn more from one's crypto holdings. It's a bit like interest in that you receive more of a currency over time, but through engagement rather than leaving assets dormant. Be sure to thoroughly research each staking or farming project before committing your funds to ensure you're making informed and secure decisions. Remember, the cryptocurrency market can be volatile, and it's essential to understand both the risks and benefits associated with it. That's all for our guide on accessing Binance's robust offerings. Happy crypto adventures, and remember to always stay informed.